Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. For today I have a really cool project. I want to show you how you can crochet a flower with 6 petals and this little hollow structure in the middle. It can be as a decoration or as a detail for a bigger project, or maybe for a keychain. You could just put a ring through here and hang it up, or yeah, whatever. So let's start with a 3.5mm needle and any kind of wool. I will do a magic ring. I did it a lot before, so just follow my lead. And here we are, magic ring secured. We can change its size for now, pull bigger or smaller. So let's move on now. We will do 6 single crochets into our magic ring. Number 6 here, so let's now take the beginning thread and pull the magic ring tight. Go into the first hole and close up with a slip stitch. Six total. Here a close-up, and let's now do 3 chains to get the hollow parts in here. Go into the next hole and do a single crochet. And there's our effect. There's the hollow spots we wanted. Six little hollow spots, so let's now go into those hollow spots and do single crochets and 6 half trebles. So it should be pretty tight, but that's how we get the petals. So we always close up with a single crochet and we can continue. So in order to do that, we can leave the one single from our last round out and go into the next hollow spot, so the next hole we made. 3 done, 3 to go. I'll go until I get a full circle. Here are my 6 petals and the 6 empty spots. Yeah, you can see the holes here, and we can now close it up, but let's cut the thread off first. Pull out. Go here into the spot and pull the thread to the other side so that we get the end and beginning thread and knot them together. So here is my flower. If you don't want to cut the end threads off, you can use them to hang the flower somewhere. Yeah, just tie a knot a bit further apart, and that way you can hang it up, or you can cut those off and weave the rest in. So yeah, I hope you guys like the project. I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like the structure, if you like the 6 petals, if you would like it differently, if you maybe did it differently. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in our next video, and until then, have a wonderful day. Bye!